Hello everyone, my name is Jai Roa and I'm a proud graduate of Acacia University in 2019. My time at Acacia was truly transformative. On a personal level, the diverse and collaborative environment pushed me far outside my comfort zone, teaching me the value of different perspectives. Professionally, the curriculum was brilliantly balanced between foundational theory and hands-on practical application. It was here that I learned not just what to think, but how to think critically and solve complex problems. And that foundation has been invaluable in my current role as the early years coordinator at UISG here in China. The case studies we analyze and the projects we manage are almost a direct mirror of the challenges I tackle daily. My education gave me the toolkit and the confidence to hit the ground running. I directly credit the strategic planning and the communication skills I honed at Acacia for that success. My journey from Acacia classrooms to where I am today has been incredible, and I am deeply grateful for the start it gave me. Thank you.